In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use workflow automation for reminders and approvals in QuickBooks Accountant. Workflow automation can save you time, reduce manual follow-ups, and keep your books moving by sending reminders or routing items for approval based on clear rules. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share helpful context along the way so everything feels straightforward. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Accountant account. Make sure you're working in the correct company and have the permissions you need to manage workflows, since only authorized users can turn automation on and off. Next, look to the top right and click the Settings icon, the small gear. This is your gateway to deeper controls. Under the Tools section, choose Manage Workflows. Think of this as your workflow command center. It's where you create, view, and maintain all automations for your records. From here, select the record you want the workflow to act on by clicking. Select Record for Workflow. Pick the record type that matches your goal. Invoice is a common choice, but choose what aligns with the task you want to automate. Choosing the right record ensures your rules apply to exactly the items you care about. Under Define Action that you'd like QuickBooks to do, choose whether this should be a reminder or an approval. A reminder nudges you or your team when something needs attention, like an upcoming due date. An approval pauses the process until the right person signs off, which is great for added control on larger amounts or sensitive transactions. Now, set the conditions that should trigger the reminder or approval. You can base this on details such as due date, transaction status, or amount. Be as specific as you need. For example, you might trigger a reminder a few days before an invoice is due, or require approval for invoices above a certain threshold. Clear conditions help avoid noise and ensure you only get alerted when it truly matters. If this workflow involves another person, assign it to the relevant team member or members. Assigning clarifies accountability and ensures the right user gets notified within QuickBooks according to their preferences and access. When everything looks good, click Save to activate the workflow. From this point on, QuickBooks will monitor the selected records and apply your rules automatically so you don't have to chase details manually. Finally, repeat these steps to create additional workflows for other records or actions. Start with your highest impact processes and build from there to streamline more of your day. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.